Hey guys, so I wanted to make a video real quick here about how do I cut these bow ties into a table. And I usually use bow ties when there's a crack. It helps to stop the spread. It also looks very aesthetic for most people. And I usually cut these on a bandsaw, but I have a small CNC machine that I never cut it with, and I just tried this. So this is a pretty cool looking little bow tie here. So the first thing I use is a scoring blade, which is right here. You can pick this up in any wood tool store, or you can probably buy it on Amazon. And the importance of this is that if you score the shape of the bow tie, which you have to press down like real good, and then you just, with a very firm cutting motion, you basically just cut the contours of this bow tie. And what it does, it's actually quite useful. When you start, whether it's chiseling, or you could, if you feel more steady with your hands, you can also use one of these little routers. Make sure your router bit is really sharp and not dull. And you can cut the main meat out first by freehanding it. It's only for those who feel comfortable with that. If not, you could use various chisels. I got these chisels from Woodcraft, and this is the Fail Swiss-made chisels. They're really good quality and they're not extremely expensive. So anybody who's a beginner or learning woodworking, it's a good product to buy, and it's affordable. So then you can use various sizes of chisels. This is a 1/2 inch. This is a 1 inch. And then you want to use the 1/4 inch. And basically I'm using these tools to cut these bow ties in. And what I do usually is once I scored it, I try to use the chisel to gently tap the score a little deeper. And the reason for that is being, when you start cutting the main meat out, you don't want chip out. So the scoring and basically making it a little deeper with the 1 inch chisel helps you to prevent or actually eliminate any tear out when you're trying to use a router or an actual chisel. And you have to do this every so often. You take off about a 16 to an 1/8 of an inch every time you chisel out a layer, and that way it will keep your edges nice and clean. So when you put your bow tie in there, it's gonna look and fit real snug, and it's gonna look a lot more professional. So let me know if you have any questions below. And if you like to see other videos, just let me know, and we could make more videos here. I have a large wood shop and we do all kinds of custom projects. And I hope this information that I just gave you, it will help you do your work better.